Today we're here to show you the Viking PM 32 Mixer Mincer. This machine is designed and built in Europe and has some excellent features coming over. I'll show you some. The Viking PM 32 Mixer Mincer has a 55 kg mixing chamber, and as we can see inside here, it's got the 3-armed paddle, polished stainless steel finish. It's a fantastic design, and with the radius edges, and then with the polished finish, it'll have very minimal product smear on the side of the chamber. And it's also fantastic to clean. At the bottom we can see the stainless steel feed screw has a fantastic opening. It's really big and excellent for the product to feed into it. However, during the mixing process, one of the fantastic features of this machine is that the feed screw will actually spin backwards just at small intervals to expel any unmixed product out of the barrel chamber. Around the front here, very simple design. We've got the bush that's holding the paddle in. We've got our tool and we've got our feed screw here. This tool removes both those there. We've got the controls here, so we've got the mixing button, mincing button and the stop button. So it's very easy, they're very well protected. To take the paddle out, very simple. Release off these nuts, spin them around like that. We do not have to take them completely off. So we just release them. One hand inside and take the pressure off the paddle. Turn the bush a bit around like that, and then inside here it lifts out very simply. Just slide it towards the front, lift it up, and there we are. So there's the 3-armed mixing paddle that's polished stainless steel, and it's very easy to get to. At the end we've just got the square end drive, so it's very easy to locate back in, and we do so by just dropping that down like this, locating it in. And that just simply pushes back into the back of the wall of the mixer mincer. Got our bush, insert it in the front, locating it all the way home, and then just simply spin it. Got our nuts like that, and then make sure you remember just to nip them up nice and firm. Doesn't have to be too tight, just so that they don't come loose during the mixing process. Down here, there's our stainless steel barrel. We've got our worm and our nose ring. Comes off very simply. The other end of our tool has a groove shape like this, and the purpose of that is to put into the shank pin on the end of the mincer, and pull it out like that. Obviously we haven't got any meat now, but when there is meat that would be difficult to get off. Move our plate and knife, and here is our solid stainless steel feed screw, which comes out very easy and very easy to remove. When necessary, to remove the barrel for cleaning and whatever you want to do, just the same as we did up here with the paddle bush, just undo the bolts. Once again, we don't have to take them completely off, and it goes like that. Barrel, and there we go. So there's the stainless steel barrel, and the mixer mincer comes off very, very simply, very easy to handle. It's not that heavy, and it's got a word here that says above. That just simply means that the barrel needs to be on the upside. The reverse to put it on, very simple. Locate it in. Make sure it's nice and nipped up, and then once again, don't forget to lock your bolts in nice and tight, like so. Putting the tool back on there, feed screw, not too heavy but very solid and very easy to insert. That goes all the way home. Got our knife. We need a solid knife here because it reverses, so we can't have the inserts. You can get solid insert knives as well for the spinning backwards. Plate. Make sure that's all the way home. This is our nose ring. Put it on, make sure you do it all the way up, and we're ready to go. The lid just simply lowers down like so, and then so this can be used for storage purposes or whatever while it's in storage or while it's been used. We've got this holes in the lid here, so you can put ingredients through the holes while it's mixing. Some people like to do that. It's certainly available on this machine. And then we can, for safety reasons, while it's mixing around to stop the lid coming up, we can put the catches there, so if you've got it very full and some mixture does hit the lid, obviously the lid won't open up while it's being used. So this is the Viking PM 32 Mixer Mincer. It's a 55 kg, fantastic design. I'm sure you'll really enjoy it.